You know, I think you're gonna like this place better.
I think so. It's more comfy than the former. Okay.
Trash it.
But Mom.
Trash it!
up. I don't want to be late for the first day at work. What's up? You look nice for a first day at school.
Everyone will know I'm new.
That's okay. Let's have this conversation in the car, okay?
Nonsense waka be this one now. She be for just enter this waka, this motor now they go where they go. Eh? What has they do with this Osho fee self? See, come on, 3,000 naira. What I want you to do? This man for CLP, CLP sell Okada money now. Hey, which kind of nonsense waka be this one? Money don't finish now. Oh, what about 3,000 naira?
Mommy. He just drove off even when that lady was waving at us for a ride.
Well, would you rather I picked up a total stranger to ride in the car with you and I?
She was in the compound, Mom, which means she must be a neighbor. Well, I'm almost certain that she isn't. Wow, you seem to know so much despite the fact that we moved in just yesterday.
You know what, Tia? I'm not going to have an unnecessary argument over someone who doesn't even matter. I mean, she's not even the neighbor. Besides, it's my car. I choose who rides in it. Here's something you should bother yourself about. The house key. Make sure you don't lose it, okay?
Okay, Mom. Keeping it safe in my bag. There.
And here we are. Don't worry, darling. Come on, Tia. You're going in as a newbie, and by noon you're going to be an oldie, okay?
Mommy, it's just that this is starting all over again.
It's okay. Just take it as a new adventure. You're broadening your horizon. You know, you're meeting new friends, okay?
Okay, Mom. Bye.
Bye, not so fast. Come here. Mwah. Have
Bye,
fun.
Mom.
Move your body, I like you spend this money. Baby, show me something. You know this swag is money. Oh yeah, move your body, I like you spend this money. Baby, show me something.
Brossy, baddest boss. Yes, I finished it since. Yeah, I think they go even call us to come and pick it up. Yeah, today is fine. I'll be in the office all day. I'll be in the studio. Bros, which kind of discount now? Maybe leave up for that level. I beg now. I beg. You know, say once I touch beats, the beat must bomb. I beg. Maybe leave up for that level. I beg. Nice one to you. Yeah, it's fine. Anytime, I'm here. You should just come when she gets to the house. Baddest boss. Nice one, G. Nice one. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Hi.
Sorry, who do you seek here?
I live here.
Oh, you're the new occupant.
Yeah, me and my mom.
Okay, okay.
You attend Laura Stevens?
Yeah, I do.
That means we attend the same school.
Are you serious? But
Yeah.
how come I didn't stay in school today?
The school has over 1,000 students in population.
Yes, you're right, you're right. You're welcome, though.
Thank you.
Jamal!
Tiana!
Did you bring out the soup from the freezer?
Yes, Mom.
How do you like your new school?
It's not that bad.
It's okay. I'll get it. I'm not expecting anyone. Who is it?
Good evening.
Evening.
Wow. Nice.
Thanks.
I just realized tonight that you just moved in.
Last night, actually.
Sorry, I had a bit of a rough night yesterday.
I see.
It's not bad. I brought this for you to welcome you to the
Thanks.
neighborhood. Good. I see you've got a doctor.
Mr.
Just Damien, please call me Damien.
I really had a rough day today, and a very tiring one at that. Thank you so much for the wine. Good night.
Okay. So I guess I'll see you around then.
Who is that?
The neighbor.
Oh, he must be very nice.
Why? Because of this?
Mom, at least he welcomed you. Means he has a good heart. Now I see where his son emulated it from.
He has a son.
Jamal, he's about my age. The best part is we attend the same school.
Okay, listen. I do not want you getting involved with those people because I don't want them corrupting you.
Mom, you barely even...
Thea! I am your mom. You need to trust me to protect you.
No, Mom, you're beginning to act paranoid.
Thea! Tiana! Paranoid? Paranoid?
Good day, Ethel.
Save yourself the courtesy, okay? Save yourself the courtesy and tell me what you want from me.
I miss Tiana. I just need
So you have resolved to stalking, right?
How will I be stalking my own family? I love
Save your love. Save your love for your next generation. We don't need it. We are doing very well without you.
We can put the past behind us.
Listen, if you don't stop, if you don't cease from stalking me, I will get a restraining order against you. And I mean it, I'm not joking, Dave. Leave us alone!
And what is the meaning of that in the bowl?
Lunch.
but I just made pasta for everyone.
And I said I wasn't interested.
You should address me with some respect, like I were your mother.
And you will never be able to...
Will you watch your tongue?
This girl, ma.
Damien, I can't take it anymore. I cannot condone your son's disrespect.
Oh, Claire, look, I've had a long day. I'm just trying to relax with this stuff.
Oh, so you playing video games is more important than my happiness?
What are you saying?
What I'm saying is your son is ill-mannered. And I can't take it anymore. I'm tired of him. Your son thinks he can just dish out whatever he wants to anyone.
Claire, but he's just a boy.
A boy who doesn't think that I am fit to be his mother.
Claire, don't.
Oh, fine. Yeah, it's fine. I'll just pack up my things and go. So you call me when he's well-bred.
Claire, wait. What have you done this time?
Dad, but I didn't do anything. She just got mad at me because I chose cereal over pasta for lunch.
Yeah, but Jamal, just... manner of approach is everything, okay? Just save me all this. Pasta wasn't nice, was it?
Daddy, I miss you.
Oh dear. Let's get out of here before your mom gets to see
Great
us.
idea.
I guess we have some time before she gets back from work. Seatbelts.
Okay. Thank you so much, Daddy.
You're welcome, T.
Oh. I love you, Dad.
Darling, what is it?
I don't want you to leave. Can't you just talk with Mom and let's remain a family?
We've talked about this, T. Let's just give it some time, okay? Give me that smile. I'll talk to you later. Don't forget to call me if need be.
Okay, Dad. Love you, Dad.
Love you too, baby. Your mom mustn't know that I was here.
Okay.
Hi. Sorry. Who was that man outside?
Oh, you mean the man that just dropped me off?
Mm-hmm.
That was my sugar daddy.
What?
I almost caught you there. That was my dad.
You almost scared me. I was scared of you doing such, even at a tender age.
My mom must never know he was here, Jamal.
Okay. Okay. So was that why you left school so early?
No. I checked you in class, but I couldn't find you or your bag, so I just thought you left already. I was outside waiting for my usual to take me home when I saw him.
Yeah, I went to see my class teacher.
Okay.
Alright.
I better go get changed before my mom gets back. I don't want her raising any suspicion.
No problem.
Good evening, Miss... I'm sorry, I didn't get your name the last time.
That's because I never told you.
I'm sorry, did we get off on the wrong foot the first time we met?
Mr.
Damien, please.
Is there something in particular you want?
Nothing. Nothing really. I mean, I just thought we could get to know each other better as neighbors.
Hi, I'm Ethel. I'm a hotel manager and I am a single mother, but I do not appreciate neighbors encroaching on my privacy. Thank you.
I'm just gonna go. Crazy woman. Why is she up so tight?
Tiana, go get the door.
Yes, Mom.
Hi, Tiana.
Good evening, sir.
Who is it?
It's the neighbor.
What does this guy want again, for goodness sake? Eh?
No, Tiana, wait.
This man wants again, for sake. Hi, Damien.
Oh, I can see you got my name right this time.
What can I do for you?
I'm sure you've met my son, Jamal. They attend the same school?
Mr. Damien, what's the point?
Look, it's Jamal's birthday today, all right? And he's spending the day with his friends at the mall. I thought it'd be nice for Tiana to come.
I'm sorry, we won't be accepting your invitation at the moment because Tiana is not available. You know, she was actually reading before you interrupted with your knock. Right, baby? So please extend our hearty cheers to your son, JOMBO.
It's Jamal. Some other time then.
Yeah, sure.
Bye, sir.
You better not have had anything to do with this young lady.
Mom, he didn't even tell me it was his birthday.
Better not.
So how's certain you about this gist?
Dad, this gist is firsthand. I heard it from the horse's mouth.
She told you all this by herself?
The mother?
That Margaret Thatcher?
Nah, Tiana told me all.
Tiana? So, are you guys like intimate?
Dad!
I mean, like with information. This stuff is personal stuff.
Dad, well, we're friends, schoolmates, and yeah, we do talk.
Yeah. Your mother would have been so proud of you.
Yeah, she would be. Especially when I don't allow you marry that Aunt Claire.
Jamal, Claire's not that bad. You just have to know her better.
I think I'm done with all the knowing.
I want to know.
Don't touch that. How many times have I asked you to stay away from this box?
Mom, I was...
You're what? What is wrong with you, Tia?
I was...
Just get out of my room!
Tiana, I'm sorry about the way I spoke to you earlier.
It's okay, Mom. I'm sorry I pried into your closet.
You know what, baby girl? Some memories are better left stashed in a box forever. Bringing them back would only cause pain.
I'm so sorry, Mom.
I love you so much, Tiana. I love you so, so much.
I love you too, Mom.
Come here.
Jamal?
Dying?
Come in.
Sorry for disturbing. My father is dying. He has been thrown up since last night. I think he just passed out.
Oh, I'll be right back. Come, let's go. Lock the door, lock the door.
Okay, Mom.
Let's go.
He came in drunk. I heard him screaming my name. So, I jumped out of bed and ran in here and found him lying lifeless.
Does he do this often?
No.
Did he drive home by himself?
No. His car is everything in the compound. One of the friends must have done this.
It's okay. He'll be fine. Go get me a towel and water or something.
Oh.
Don't worry, he'll be fine, okay? He just had a bit to drink, too much. It's alcohol poisoning. I'll stay here until he's stable.
Thank you, Mom.
Don't worry, he'll be fine.
Hey.
Oh, I see you up.
Yeah, Listen, thanks for your help yesterday.
You know, you should learn to be a responsible father, because your son was really scared to the teeth when he came to me. Just imagine the trauma he would have felt when he thought you died.
Look,
It's no blame game. It's just that you don't want your son growing up being a dead drunk like you.
Look, I appreciate your help, yeah? But I'll have you know that I love my son very much.
Love? That's very funny. Seeing that your son had to miss school today because he had to look after his inebriated father. Listen, I'm busy. Talk later.
Selfie. Oh, the sun is so bright. Angle. This looks like a real beach, man. The water's so blue. Selfie, the next Leonardo da Vinci. Woo! Is it because you can draw? It actually turned out nice.
Here comes my mother.
Keys. Good afternoon to you too.
You guys don't seem to like each other very much, huh?
Not at all. Oh well, she brings my father joy.
What if your dad decides to marry her?
Well, I pray he doesn't. But if he does, I might just learn to live with her.
And be a good son.
Good thought. Stop.
It's always fun with you, Dad.
Never a dull moment with you, T.
I hope you won't stay long in Ghana.
Just a few. Oh no.
What is it, Dad?
Your mom just parked her car.
Oh no, this can't be good.
Listen, young man, I don't want anything from you. Not your money, not your love, not your care, absolutely nothing. Stay away from us.
Ethel, but I'm your...
Shut up! You shut it. You're absolutely nothing to me. You shut that door a long time ago. Now listen, Dave, don't dare me. You see this neighborhood? They frown at kidnappers a lot.
But I just...
Help! Mom! Kidnapper! Mommy! Help! Mom! If I... Come on, will you enter inside the house? Go inside! Idiot! Tia, I am your mother.
He was just trying to be a father and nothing more.
He doesn't love you.
Why are you so bitter towards him?
Watch your tongue, young lady.
Mom, I don't know what it is he did to you, but please forgive him.
You know what? You're going to go inside this minute. Get the hell out of here! And Tia, I forbid you to ever see him again. Not as long as you stay under the same roof with me. Do you understand? Are we clear?
Yes, we are.
Please, can you turn down the volume of the music? Some of us need to sleep. It's actually depriving me and my family of sleep.
Sorry, we're just recording. I had no idea what was that loud. Oi, turn the music down!
Yeah, please, it is. You know, some of us have work to go to tomorrow.
Why are you always like this? I just apologize, but yet you should just ruin everything. A little catty wouldn't harm you.
Anyway, good night, neighbor. And ask the wolves you have in there to stop howling in excitement. I'm sure Kanye never disturbed Kim while making good music.
Crazy.
My neighbor, yeah. Saw you walking down the road. I was wondering if I could talk to you, my girl, yeah.
Mommy!
Hope I haven't missed much.
No, we're yet to start the presentation.
Oh, thank goodness.
There's a problem.
What's the problem?
It's Jamal's turn to present and he won't go in until his father comes.
Then let him wait.
If he forfeits this chance, he won't get another one to show his creativity.
Tia, what exactly do you want me to do?
I want you to talk to him and stand in for his dad. Please, Mom.
Tia,
Please, Mom. Please, please, Mom, please.
Okay. Okay.
Jamal.
Hey, Jamal. Come. It's okay. I'll represent your dad, okay? Let's go.
Doesn't really matter where you from, where you been. And I know ya, I wanna be a family. Wanna be a family.
Oh.
True love is being there when needed. That's what family is all about. Let's go, baby. Once again, congratulations, Jamal.
Bye, Jamal.
Son, I'm sorry. I was in a studio session with Yemina. I just remembered your presentation and started running down here.
What? Why are you laughing?
Your reaction amuses me, Mom.
You know what this is?
It's a condom, not a rubber bomb. It's 2018. I'm not a kid anymore.
Where's Damien? Listen, I think it's a shameful thing that two grown-ups like you cannot control your lustful desires for each other. Listen, I'm sure you have big rooms here, comfortable rooms, but no, you chose to desecrate my car. I hope this doesn't happen again, because if it does, I will not hesitate to sue you guys. Excuse me. And listen, condoms are meant to be used and disposed of properly, not to adorn your neighbor's cars. Excuse me.
Oh, Damien is dead meat!
Why is she not answering her calls?
Maybe she's busy at work.
And I don't think she's coming back tonight. She mentioned something about having a night shift.
Night shift? Is she a nurse?
She's a hotel manager.
Oh. Calm down, Tana. You will be fine. Things will be sorted out.
This has never happened to me before. Forgetting my keys in the house.
I guess it was the morning rush.
That's true. Today was worse. Mom almost forgot to put on her shoes.
Why don't you just come over to my place and chill? Let's go.
Baby girl, you stole my heart away. You don't even know it. I see you in my dreams and ran away.
Oh my goodness! You record in here, right?
Yep.
You know, I knew you were a music producer and all, but Jamal never told me that you have a studio in here.
Jamal, really? Did Jamal tell you that you can actually record your song right now?
Really? Like, right now?
Of course.
Like, Corey Bello, Tiwa Savage, Gabriel Lade.
Tiana.
Whoa, I'm a superstar.
Come on, put that on. Make you hear things better. All right, I was working on a beat, but I don't know if you like it.
Oh yeah.
Wait, hold up. Do you have a song in mind that you want to do? Because there's no music box in here, it's like a mini studio, but I can actually still record something.
Okay.
You have a song in mind?
I just, I'll go with the flow.
All right. Okay. All right.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
The beat's actually great.
I don't know what to sing.
Sing anything.
Okay, sing one of yours. Do a cappella, let's hear it.
Okay. I write some songs, but they're like slow songs.
All right, let's hear it.
Okay. Now?
Go ahead.
No, tomorrow.
No, let me sing this one. There's something I want to say, it means a lot to me. If your ears cannot hear, then your eyes can surely see that the tall trees below as the strong wind blow.
Yay! Not bad.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's it has some work to do, but we're getting there.
You like it?
Yes, love it. Go on, keep going.
Okay. The noise seems to rattle as my thoughts only battle.
Okay.
Tiana! Tia! Do you know how long it takes for kidnappers to call for ransom?
Ransom?
Yes, I think my daughter has been kidnapped. I don't know what to do. I think if I call the police, he will put Tia in danger. Oh my God, I don't know what to do. Oh, that bastard! I think he came onto Tia while I was away. Oh my goodness, I'm going to deal with him. Dave is dead meat. I will kill him.
Calm down. Relax.
Oh.
Relax. Your daughter is inside sleeping. Calm down. Tiana! Jesus, calm down.
How are you supposed to calm down? How can you keep someone's daughter in your house?
He actually gave me shelter. He helped me.
What happened to the roof over your head?
I lost my keys in the house.
I put it to you that you forgot your keys to carry out your plans.
Mom!
Shut up while I speak. And you couldn't find a better place to stay than in the house of a man who is not responsible to his son and sleeps with anything with a narrow path between the thighs.
Mom, that's all.
Shut up! I am your mother.
I don't know what's happening anymore. I'm beginning to get scared for you. I'm going to find my dad and I'm going to live with him.
Go! Go to your deadbeat dad! Go to your deadbeat dad!
You know, you have a good daughter. You really shouldn't lose her.
Tia! What happened? Oh, my Tia! No, don't touch her, Please, can you call the ambulance? Tia! Oh my goodness, Tia! Oh, Tia!
God, I hate hospitals. I do. Just reminds me of the day she died.
Jamal's mom?
She put him right in my arms and then she passed away.
Were you married?
No. She was my twin.
Jamal is not your son?
Nope. She had no idea he was married. Poor Damiana. He got her pregnant and then ran us to the US to be with his family.
That's sheer wickedness. You know, sometimes you men deserve more than a bullet to your heads.
Yeah, I've been his father ever since. What about you? You shouldn't be alone. I mean, I see the way you treat her father and it's not going to break the bond between them. I think you need to tell him about the status of his daughter.
I want to, but...
Excuse me. She's now stable. You can come and see her.
What?
Claire, ever since you stepped into my life, you've never gotten tired of me or given up on me. I know I'm not the best, but for you, I can strive to be. I'll make your happiness my priority, now and forever.
What?
Claire. Will you marry me?
It's beautiful. Oh gosh.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh.
That was my worst fear.
So you finally have the new mom.
No way.
Are you even ready to let her mommy you?
Mommy? Tana, please can we talk about something else? When are you leaving here?
I don't know. But I hope soon. You know, the doctor said that I'm recuperating at a very fast speed.
Oh, that's good news. I want you home. I miss you.
I miss you too. Did any of my classmates ask of me?
No, no one did.
But they must have heard the news in school.
Maybe.
Anyway, your dad has been very supportive since the accident. Thank him for me.
Yeah, you're welcome. Oh, he's a very kind-hearted man. I really wish your mom knew him. Beyond the neighbors we are.
The doctor said he'll do another X-ray tomorrow to be able to ascertain her progress.
That's good. Tiana's a strong girl. I'm sure she can.
Yes, she is. What are you doing here?
I've heard what happened to Tiana. I've come to see her.
And how is that your problem?
Ethel, I just wanted to...
Oh, please! Just go back to wherever you're coming from.
Ethel, I'm sure we can settle this.
No! I need him to get out of here! Are you deaf? I said bounce! You know what? I'm going to get a restraining order against you. I'm going to inform them to make sure you don't come a centimeter close to my daughter. Hello, Barrister Clem.
I'm Dave.
I'm sorry you had to make me like this.
That's fine. Just calm down. You know, she's under a lot of pressure. Ethel, you know, you really should end this bad blood with Dave. At least for your daughter's sake.
Dave is my younger brother.
Shoot me. Dave is your brother.
He's my only brother, but we became sworn enemies when he betrayed my trust. I had just fallen pregnant then, and I confided in him. I had hoped he'll keep it a secret until I figured out what to do.
Since you have decided to bring shame and disgrace to my family, this house cannot contain both of us.
Papa, please. Papa, please, I'm begging you. Then please, help me beg, Papa. I don't have anywhere to go to.
You should have thought about that before going to help open your legs for every Dick, Tom, and Harry in your school.
Papa, please.
Ethel, let me tell you, you are dead to me. The only child I have is Dave.
Papa, please.
I don't want to ever see you. Now get out.
Papa, please.
Get out. I don't want
Papa,
to.
Please.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Neka. Neka. See the kind of disgrace and shame your daughter brought to us. In spite of all I did to give her the best out of life.
So that's how I became a loner. No family.
So, why does she call him father then?
It's a long story. But he came back after a while and we had this major argument. Tiana was still very little then. He went behind my back and started showering her with so much love. I didn't want to take it away from her.
And you never told her the truth about her real father?
While I allowed her enjoy the privilege, I also wanted to use it to get back at him. I knew that the only way I could get revenge was to keep him away from her.
Pathetic.
You can see that.
But listen, Tiana's an intelligent girl. Don't you think she can comprehend whatever story you tell her about her father, but using death? Sorry. Where's my boss? Boss! Yes, I'll be in the studio shortly.
My neighbor, neighbor, yeah. Saw you walking down the road. I was wondering if I could talk to you, my girl, yeah. Such a pretty little thing. Oh, yeah. Can I get your number, baby?
No way. What's going on?
You're shocked by what you just saw, right?
Gobsmacked.
Felt so good.
First Dave, now this. You know, I'd have lost $1 million if someone had told me that I could do all this, smoke and drink.
You know, in the past I used to live a wild life back in the days. I used to drink, smoke, and I party binged.
Dang.
I mean, name the party, and I was there. But there was this particular party that I remembered. It was a frat party in Benin. It was well organized. It was a mask party.
Beginning of a new era in the animal kingdom.
Our #1 enemy is the zero now. They won't come cast us. Suppose to make a find you come. Look with the pay. Okay, they. How do I'm coming.
I was consumed by lust when he left that night. I forgot to ask for his name or even to see his face. I didn't see the tiger again.
So, did you wait?
Of course I did. I waited 2 hours. But I had to run for my dear life because a gun battle erupted, and later on I was told that some frat boys lost their lives to the axemen. You see why it's just better to tell Tana that her father is dead than, you know, making her understand that, you know, she's a product of my own recklessness.
Hey! Hi, honey.
I should have sensed it long before now. Don't give me that look.
I don't understand.
I knew you were up to no good with that slut.
Claire.
Don't clear me, Damien. Just a shameless bastard.
You know what? I'm not even gonna get upset.
You don't have to. Just go back to her. No, go back to her. Let her make you feel happy. Let her warm your heart. Give you everything you need. Everything you're looking for in a woman. No, go. I'll just leave you so you can have room to explore.
Claire.
Don't clear me. Just a shameless fool.
Claire, wait, Claire. What's wrong with women?
I'm coming.
The mask is who I am. I can be whoever you want me to be. I'll be your tiger. To your kitty cat. I'm Damien.
Mommy, why did you hide this away from me for so long?
I'm sorry. I am so sorry. I didn't want to take away the joy, the love that you had.
You only deprived me of it.
I know. I know, and I am sorry. I am sorry. I just wanted to punish him for abandoning me earlier.
Things are less complicated now. I hope you'll forgive my uncle.
I will. I promise.
Now that I have my real dad, when you both get married.
Baby, it's not that easy.
My love, the important thing is that you have me, and I have you, and we will take care of you, no matter what.
So I've been living with my real dad as a neighbor all this while. It's good to have us together. Okay. I don't know. I think it's probably the boas.
Guess who's here?
Tiwa Savage?
No, maybe
It's Dave.
Dad! I mean, Uncle Dave.
I'm so glad to see you, my
I'm
dear.
so glad you could finally come.
Aww.
Thank you so much, Mommy. You're the best mom in the world.
I know. And oh, another surprise for you.
Really?
Grandpa is on the phone.
Grandpa? Hello? Grandpa?
Hello, Tiana.
I'm fine, Grandpa. How are you?
I'm sorry I've not been the best grandpa to you, just like I've not been the best dad to your mother. Please forgive me.
I'm so happy all of this is happening now, Grandpa. My predicament has brought together all lost and broken bonds. I hold nothing against you. And I'm sure Mom doesn't either. Right, Mom?
Absolutely nothing.
Thank you very much, my daughter.
Grandpa, one more thing. Can I come spend my next holiday with you?
I think she meant we.
Can we come and spend our next holiday with you?
Sure you can. Even if you want to spend a whole decade.
Thank you, Grandpa. Bye.
Let me have my phone. And let's go. We're done here. You've been discharged.
Yeah! Come on, let's get it.
Hurry!
Mom, wait for me.
Let's go.